doing? So you're sure?
Yeah. My gloves, I don't want to break them.
Is there blood anywhere?
I'm trying to figure out somewhere else.
Wait, you're like on my bed.
It's from your finger. It's from your finger.
It's a video.
Oh my god. This is so gnarly, Allie. I'm trying to figure out where else it is.
Oh shit. Let's go trace the blood. Okay.
Oh god, it smells so bad. Dude, you have to throw that thing out. It smells so bad.
Mandela?
Oh. Nelson Mandela puking in the house. That
Ew, who had split pea soup?
Ugh.
Or is that even what that is? Oh my gosh. Wait, Kirsty, you can't just throw it.
I just threw it.
You have to put it in the trash. And where did someone find the king size
There's
Sharpie?
people over the floor. Oh god. What is that?
Ew,
Oh my god.
oh,
This is trash. This is disgusting. Oh, I love these.
This used to be a chair. Do you see this?
I remember when it broke.
Oh, it was the top of a
Kevin and
chair.
Sam were trying to fix it.
Oh, really? Who made soup and put Miss Dash in it? Someone got more wine? Ah!
Where did this
Who
come
put
from?
salsa in my dish?
What is that?
My dad gave that to me for Christmas. There's no more Popov. Oh my gosh, do you see this? That's my license. Am
I almost just said, Allie, this is not yours.
is the picture so bad? Shut up! Oh! Do you see this? It's so slippery.
Oh my god. I can't.
Oh yeah, someone was having Skittles.
That's my pack of gum.
Mm. Okay, where's the blood?
So gnarly.
Oh no! There's blood on the door.
Oh my god, there's blood everywhere.
There's blood all
Look
over
at
the
back, look
wall.
right here, right here. Wait, it's out the back of the door. Yeah. There's blood all over
It's
the
all
bathroom.
over
Oh
this.
my god, it's all over the wall. Oh my god. Oh.
Oh, it's bad. No, it can't. No. Shut up. Are you kidding me? Oh.
Ellie! You threw up on the mirror! There's puke all over the wall! Oh my god, oh my god.
That's blood. Or is that?
No, that's puke, that's puke. Oh my god, this is disgusting. There's blood all over the wall.
There's blood everywhere. What's?
There's blood in the shower. There's blood right there on the floor.
pretty.